We're trying to figure out how many gallons of green paint. And I've written on the board what we know. Now, X percent, by volume, the mixture was X percent blue. So if I would figure out how many gallons of blue, I would do blue equals X over 100, that's a percent, times the total. And that would tell you how much blue you have. And then green would be Y over 100 times the total. And red would be Z over 100 times the total. Now, if you add up X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y plus Z, if you add up those percent, that has to give you 100. And what else do I know? The number of gallons. We know that the number of gallons of blue plus green plus red, I'll make that capital R, plus R has to give me my total. And we know that I have blue is 1 gallon. Don't they tell me that? Yes. And green, nope, and red is 3 gallons. So that equals 3. And I think I've written down everything I know. All right, so let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says what? X equals Y. X equals Y. So Y, substitute, you've got X over 100 times T. That's the same thing as Y over 100 times T. That equals 1. So that's what we're trying to figure out is the amount of green. The amount of green is Y over 100 times T. And we know that equals 1 because we had 1 gallon of blue paint. So that works. Now clue 2 says Z equals 60. Z equals 60. So Z is red. So that means 60 over 100 times T equals 3. And if I solve this for T, cancel that out, I've got 6 over 10. I'm doing too much work. T equal 3. That's 6T equal 30. That's T equals 5. The total gallons is 5. And we know there's 3 gallons of red and 1 gallon of blue. So that's 4 gallons. That means you'd have to have 1 gallon of green. So that one also works. Both work independently. So your answer would be D.